Let's unbox and install this black exterior porch motion light. I'm going to demo and explain all the different modes. Here's what the light looks like installed during the daytime. I'm going to show you first the auto mode. This is the dim to bright function, and you can use the upper knob to adjust the brightness level. Now here are the handy little GFCI outlets. This is my favorite feature of this light because under this little compartment here, you got this little flap and you've got 2 outlets. So it's super handy if you are doing yard projects and then you're just going to flip up that little box and it's hidden. You don't even know it's there. The photocell will turn the light on at night and off during the day. I'm demonstrating here with a bright flashlight. There are plenty of different options with this light, which is great for us in this little walkway that we don't use much except during the evening. To change the modes, you're just going to turn these little knobs that are right here at the top. I like having the knobs because there's no remotes to keep up with. Now next, this is Auto Plus mode. In this mode, the light stays off during the day but turns on at night when motion is detected. It came with 3 pages of instructions, which were very helpful for install. Overall, I've been pleased.